Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send PDF files in Facebook Messenger. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to do the following activities by yourself. Before moving on to the video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now let's move straight into the video. If you have already downloaded Messenger or Messenger Lite, you can directly open it. But if you haven't, you can go to Play Store and search for Messenger or Messenger Lite, then open it. To send PDF files in Facebook Messenger, you want to go to anyone's DM, and in the bottom left corner you can see plus sign, tap on it, then tap on Files. On the top left corner you can see there are 3 horizontal lines, tap on it, tap on Documents, and then tap on Download, then tap on the PDF that you have. Then you can tap on Send, and in this way you can send PDF files on Messenger. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.